Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up classy crochet granny square ideas. Get ready to create a timeless and cozy accessories with our granny square ideas and patterns. In this video, we will be making a beautiful color and theme crochet granny square using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet this stunning granny square to add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. First, let's start with the foundation chain. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches and make these all the ideas easily. Now let's add the personal touch to create your crochet granny square unique. Combine multiple of granny squares to create a stunning blanket, baby frock, ladies dresses, crop top, bags, caps and many different ideas and different accessories. Choose your favorite yarn, color and different embellishment to make easy granny square unique. Add personal touch like button, flower, embroidery, beads, pearls, stones and many different accessories and make these all the ideas unique. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to create unique granny square. And that's it. Your beautiful and amazing style granny square is complete and ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Share your finished crochet granny square with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new video for more crochet home decor accessories and different ideas. Happy hooking. We will be see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby frock, girls dresses, crop top, caps, hats, mini skirts, girls outfit, bags and many other ideas. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. If you want more information, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. Keep watching my more different ideas till then and keep praying for me. May Allah live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Challenge yourself to make these all the ideas easily. Okay viewers, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my more different ideas. See you in the next video. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.